In this video, you'll learn how to link to a section on a different page in Webflow. By following these steps, you will be able to create effective navigation across your website pages. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Webflow. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your projects. If prompted, enter your credentials to sign in. This step is essential for making any edits to your site. Once you are on the Webflow dashboard, locate and select the project you wish to edit. This will take you to the project's main interface where you can access all design and configuration options. Look for the project thumbnail and click on it. Next, identify the button you wish to use for the link. Click on that button to select it. This action allows you to modify the button settings. You will see a panel on the right side of the screen displaying the button's properties. After selecting the button, find the option labeled Primary Button Link in the Properties panel. Click on this link option to open the linking settings. This is where you will configure the destination of your link. Now click on the drop-down menu that says Choose a Page. This will display a list of all pages within your project. Take a moment to review the list carefully to ensure you select the appropriate page for your link. Once you've chosen the page where you want the link to direct, you can specify the section by appending a hashtag followed by the section ID. This is crucial for navigating directly to the specific part of the page. Ensure the section ID is correctly spelled to avoid any errors. After setting up the link, locate the preview button in the upper right corner of the interface. Click on this button to enter preview mode. In this mode, you can test the functionality of your link without publishing the site. While in preview mode, click on the button you just configured. You should be taken to the chosen page and automatically scroll to the specified section. This confirmation indicates that your link is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, double check the section ID and ensure it matches the ID of the section on the target page. Additionally, verify that the page is published and accessible. Remember that large projects may take time to load depending on your internet speed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.